Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's start. Let's learn some colors. We have some colors. Red color, yellow color, pink color, purple, green, sky blue color, orange color. Okay. Let's start. Today we're going to learn how to draw 6 different things with circle. Let's start with drawing a circle, small circle. Now we're going to draw a bee. Try to draw with me. It is so easy. Wow, I love it. Okay. Now we have a cute bee. Let's draw a circle. Now this is a bird. This is a bird's face. This is a small circle. It can be a turtle. Wow, it is so cute. I love it. Okay. Let's draw the next circle. This is for a ladybug. 2 eyes. Wow, I love it. It is so cute. The next one is a fish. Try to draw with me. It is so easy. Wow! This is a snail. Snail. Wow, I love it. This is a bird. And it is so cute. Okay, guys, let's paint. Let's start with yellow. Yellow bee. Oh, I love it. Let's paint with black. Let's paint with orange. We have a bird. It is so cute. Okay. And then we have a turtle. Can you draw a turtle? It is so easy. Wow, I love it. Let's paint with green. Light green and dark green. Let's paint the ladybug. With red. I love red. Okay, guys, try to draw with me. It is so easy. Wow, I love it. Okay. Let's paint the fish with orange. And then let's paint with yellow. I love yellow. I love it. It is so cute. Let's paint the snail. Let's paint with pink. I love it. Now we have a colorful snail. It is a magical snail. And then we have a cute ladybug, bee, bird, turtle, fish. All of these are so cute. I love them. Okay, guys, if you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.